Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Zelle. If you want to send money quickly to friends, family, or people you trust, Zelle is one of the fastest digital payment services available today. Zelle allows you to transfer money directly between bank accounts in minutes without needing cash, checks, or third-party wallets. Before we begin, it's helpful to understand how Zelle works. Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment network used by many banks and credit unions. Instead of storing money in a wallet, Zelle transfers money directly between bank accounts. People commonly use Zelle for sending money to friends or family, splitting bills or rent fires, paying someone back quickly, receiving payments instantly. Most transfers are completed within minutes, which is one of the main reasons many people prefer Zelle over other payment services. If you're using Zelle through a browser instead of a banking app, the first step is to connect the service with your financial institution. The website will guide you through finding your bank or credit union. After clicking on Get Started, you'll see a section asking you to enter your bank or credit union. This step is important because Zelle works through participating financial institutions. You can see all the banks available by clicking on View Full List. If your bank participates in Zelle, it will appear in the results list. For example, many major banks in the United States already support Zelle integration. After selecting your bank, the website will redirect you to your bank's online banking page. From there, you'll log in using your normal banking credentials. This ensures that Zelle connects directly to your existing bank account. Many banks have Zelle built directly into their mobile banking apps or online banking platforms. After enrolling, Zelle will connect to your bank account automatically. This allows money to move directly between accounts without needing to manually transfer funds between apps. This direct bank integration is one of the key features that makes Zelle so fast compared to other payment platforms. Since Zelle transfers are designed to be fast and direct, it's recommended to only send money to people you trust. Unlike some payment platforms, Zelle transactions usually cannot be reversed once they are sent. Always double-check the recipient information before confirming a payment. By selecting your bank or credit union, enrolling your account, and sending payments directly through your bank's interface, you can quickly transfer money to friends, family, or trusted contacts. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.